I have a workflow that automates dashboard delivery and insights using Google Drive projects and Gemini Gems. It's very easy to set up. We'll look at how this workflow saves you hours and brain power from manually gathering data for critical performance insights. The first thing you want to do is schedule your dashboard delivery. In this example, I have a Data Studio or Looker Studio dashboard. If you want to see how to schedule automatic delivery, there's a link to a video on the screen or in the description. The next thing you want to do is create a Gemini Gem. So in Google Gemini, in the web app, in the left navigation, click on Gems and it'll bring you to this screen. Scroll down to the Gem Manager. I have this Gemini Gem called Dashboard and Report Summary. If you want this gem, comment below and I'll share it with you, but it's very easy to set up. So go and click on New Gem button and give your gem a name. We'll call this Dashboard Insights. You can provide a description of the gem, and then for the instructions, paste in this simple prompt to summarize the dashboard or report, highlight the key findings, and action items. In the preview area right here, you can test it by uploading a file. Simply type in go, and it's generated the dashboard insights from this PDF dashboard. Once you're happy with the testing, click on save in the upper right corner. Now we'll go to Google Drive, and this is where we'll create our projects. So in the left navigation here, click on projects and create a project. We'll just name this performance analysis, but name the project something useful like marketing campaigns or sales performance. So click on add sources, and Gemini will look through your Google Drive for any files that it thinks might be useful to you. If you have a folder with all your reports or all your dashboards, you can look for it manually by clicking on add sources and searching through your Google Drive yourself. But we're just going to click on create project because we have the report delivery automation set up for us. Now, in this panel on the left, you'll see a tab for project sources and history. We're going to go down and allow Gemini to search for other sources. Click on this and enable or uncheck any sources that you don't want. So we're just going to enable Gmail because that's where our dashboard was delivered to. Click on the hamburger menu near the top left corner and it'll show you the gems that you have available. If you don't see your gem in the list here, just click on view all and it'll show you the list of your gems. So we'll click on our dashboard report summary and then click on add in this panel here and choose add from Gmail. Now we'll enter the name or the subject line of our dashboard or email that we're looking for, and we'll hit enter. It'll give us a list of all the relevant emails. You can select multiple emails or just select one. We'll just select the most recent one and then click on add here. I'm just going to type in go, hit enter, and let Gemini do its work. As you can see, it's pretty fast responding. So it gives us the year-over-year performance trends, the key findings in bullet points, and action items. This is key. It gives me items I can immediately prioritize, like analyzing the conversion funnel and add to cart behavior. I can export this content to docs where I can build out a complete report. So once it's ready, I can click on that link and it imports all of that response into this Google Docs. So I can use Gemini to expound on any items here, or I can go back and copy the content and I can bring it into tools like Notebook LM or Google Slides to create a deck. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.